This is the review of this Bostitch electric stapler. It has the suction cup in the bottom that holds the stapler in place. And also, it comes with this staple remover. And guys, it really can staple 30 shades of paper. Yes, look at that. So when it runs out of staple, it will usually notify you. So just push that button and load a new roll of stapler. So if you're looking for an automatic stapler with a built-in stapler remover, I recommend this one. It's the Bostitch automatic stapler, and it's really convenient to use.